This is a really exciting time. It's also a very disruptive time. Our customers' problems are the exact same. It's the landscape around them that has changed. They still need to get customers to their website. They still need to make sure their website is stable and performant. For us, it means there's an extraordinary opportunity in the kinds of tools we can build. And so we've partnered with Elastic and with the Gemini team over at Google Cloud to really build world-class SaaS applications and SaaS products that are going to help our customers win online. Our partnership with Elastic is really around search relevance. Once you get those super high intent visitors, you're keeping them on your site and you're actually able to give them the thing that they need, which is a really nice experience from a customer perspective and for the business too. And so in our search for a search partner, it was really easy for us to go with Elastic and to go with Google Cloud because they were just the best tools for the job for us. The thing we love about Elastic is how fast it is. Functionally, on the back end, Elastic has about a 5-millisecond response time. And when we get to say results are populated almost instantly, that's kind of where we get a lot of juice out of our Elastic integration. So when we talk about helping our customers win, we mean every part of their site experience. Working with Elastic was kind of an obvious choice for us after some investigation. And it was easy to get started from a technical point of view. And it was easy to engage with our account team and with the product team to get us set up exactly in the ways that we needed. With Google Cloud, same story. Elastic and Google Cloud have a way of anticipating our needs that just makes it easy to do our jobs and to focus on the things that we like to focus on, which is really delightful WordPress experiences.